If you want an easy way to insert formulas in LibreOffice Calc without memorizing everything by hand, the function wizard is one of the best tools you can use. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to insert a function using the function wizard in LibreOffice Calc, step by step, so you can build formulas faster and with less confusion. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. First, open LibreOffice on your computer. If you're starting from the home screen, look on the left side under Create and click Calc Spreadsheet. If you already have a spreadsheet open, you can use that too. The process works the same either way. Now, once your spreadsheet is open, click the cell where you want the formula result to appear. This is an important first step because the function will be inserted into the selected cell. So if you want the result in a specific row or column, make sure that cell is highlighted before moving forward. Next, look toward the formula bar at the top of the window. You should see the FX button near the formula bar. This is the function wizard button, and it's what opens the guided tool for selecting and building formulas. Click that FX button to continue. When the function wizard opens, you'll see a list of available functions. This is where you can choose exactly what kind of calculation or task you want Calc to perform. You can browse through categories like mathematical functions, statistical functions, date and time functions, text functions, and more. If you already know the name of the function you want, you can select it directly from the list. If not, you can explore until you find the one that fits your needs. After selecting the function, LibreOffice Calc will show you the required inputs for that function. These are the values or cell references the formula needs in order to work properly. Depending on the function, you may need to type in numbers, enter text, or select a range of cells from your spreadsheet. For example, if you are using a formula that works with totals or averages, you may need to highlight a group of cells that contains your data. If you want to select a cell range, you can click inside the input box and then drag across the cells in your sheet. Calc will automatically fill in the cell reference for you. This makes it much easier to build formulas correctly, especially if you're working with larger spreadsheets or multiple data columns. As you enter the values, pay attention to the preview or function description shown in the wizard. This can help you understand what the formula is doing and whether your selected inputs are correct. It's a good way to avoid mistakes before inserting the formula into your sheet. Once everything looks right, click OK. LibreOffice Calc will insert the selected function into the cell you chose earlier, and the result will appear immediately. If the formula depends on other cells, Calc will calculate the output based on the data you provided, and that's really all there is to it. Using the function wizard is a simple way to insert formulas in LibreOffice Calc, especially if you're still learning spreadsheet functions or you want a faster, more guided workflow. Instead of typing everything manually, you can let Calc help you choose the right function and fill in the details step by step. If you found this tutorial useful, please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful LibreOffice tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.